Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. How do I do it? Now I have this tip for when you are going on a short trip or staying at a relative's or friend's house for a day or two, and you do not want to carry a suitcase because you will only carry a t-shirt, underwear, and maybe a pair of pants. Or this is also excellent for when you go to an amusement park and there are usually games where you get wet, and so you can bring a complete change of clothes in a small backpack or in a bag in the case of women. Let's see how to do it. We take our t-shirt and spread it completely on a flat surface, in this case a bed, but it can be a table, carpet, or on the floor itself. We fold it in the normal way, and put our underwear on the collar of the shirt or on top. And on top of that the socks or socks that we are going to wear, keeping in mind that the part where the feet go should be inside the shirt. And now you will see why. Start to roll it up as tightly as possible, so that it takes up as little space as possible. Here in the middle you can put a toothbrush, a razor, or something else that you think fits and need. Once you have completely rolled it up, you will take the part of the socks that were left outside and fold them inwards to cover the shirt and other things so that they do not fall apart, and you will have a small tube that you can put wherever, as you can see in the video. We can also do exactly the same thing, but with some pants that we have, preferably thin ones. The steps will be the same. We spread them out, put our underwear on top, which in this case is the waistband of the pants, and we put the socks together, taking care that the elastic part is on the outside. We roll them up as tightly as possible, and once we do it completely, we take the sock by the elastic part, and here I did it by putting my hand in the sock, and this way it is much easier to cover it, so we can wrap it up and make sure it is all held together and does not come undone. And as you can see, it is almost the same as the one on the t-shirt, and will take up practically the same space. As you can see, now knowing this tip, you can take a complete change of clothes for those express visits to your friends and family, or when you go somewhere where you can get dirty or wet and need a quick change. And everything will fit in a very small backpack, or in the case of women, in the same bag that they always carry, and they will still have room left over for everything they need, and they won't have to carry a suitcase, as you can see on the screen. As we say in Mexico, everything fits in a small jar if you know how to organize it. Thank you. As you know, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with all your family, friends, and acquaintances. Like the Facebook page and check out the other videos, because I assure you that some of them will be very useful to you. Thank you for watching us, and I hope this advice has been useful to you. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.